What's up? So we started here. It's the end of the conduit. We got a lot of people that built this project. Conduit support straps. Keep going. Oh, it's going down in the ground. There's our pipe. We're gonna run our wire. There is the array that I mostly slapped. Other guys too, but yeah. And hella heavy. Let me take you for a ride inside the mansion. Then we have our, your optimizers, inverter, wire management, jumpers. I built it. I paid for them titties, dog. Put in the concrete, poured the concrete. Shape the concrete. This is how I get my money. This is what pays me, solar. There's some other solar examples, the neighbors. Slap those two, but this one today, and they're happy. Yeah. Oh yeah.